Hello guys, and welcome to another video and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to just make a very quick video about Solana, and if you have been following me, I've been making weekly videos about the best tokens on Solana, the best tokens that have made me money, tokens that nobody else is talking about, and they are very promising projects in the sense that you can make some money with them. But right now I want to make a video more like a warning, more like an advice to you all. Again, this is just my opinion, so keep that in mind. But right now I am definitely not advising anyone to trade on Solana. First of all, because Solana right now is basically unusable. The blockchain has been congested for like a week or something like that. It will probably continue to be congested for the next days, for the next few days, I hope. I really hope that I fixed the devs, whatever the team, they fixed this thing. But right now Solana is very risky to trade with. And the reason is because many people are taking advantage, many bad people. And they're launching straight up scams, like the one you're seeing right now here. Just for clarification, this is not a good token. I am not advising anything about this token. I am just saying this is garbage, and this is the perfect example of why Solana right now is very risky to trade in. Now, this project, this garbage, was shielded on many of the big Telegram channels. I don't know if you have been aware of them, but this token right here, they had a good presentation basically. They had their own website, they had their own X account, their own Telegram, they had their memes. I don't care about the memes, but anyways, they had some good presentation basically. And I'm not saying it was a promising project, but at least it didn't look like an outright scam. And I'm not saying that it is probably a scam. The liquidity is still there, and this means that they have not straight up defrauded all their investors and take their money away from them. The liquidity is still there, the pool is still there, but as you can see the chart, look at this. It's a rug pull. So it is very risky because most of the tokens right now on Solana look exactly like this. Most of them, like 99% of them. And just so you can see, this is on. Look at this. Look at the top 10 coins, the meme coins on Solana right now. Like only 3 out of 10 are on the green. All of them are red. Look at this. Only one token right here is on the green. Every other token, like Hobbits and all that, they're taking massive dips. Look at this. 20%, 15%. This is insane. On a normal day on Solana, most of the tokens are extreme green and they have extreme profit. But right now they're basically dying, these tokens. Look at this. Remember EGG, the token I advise? It's a good token, but right now the Solana congestion is affecting all of the tokens on Solana. Because people can't trade properly, they're not feeling comfortable trading on Solana. It's obvious that the market is going to be impacted, and this reflects all the problems of Solana. And don't get me wrong, I don't want to paint the wrong picture right here, but I love Solana. I will continue to own Solana. I've been making good money on Solana, and I like Solana a lot. But right now, it's not the best time to be trading on Solana. Right now, the best time is to keep your investments tight. Don't really move much of it. If you can make some profits, go ahead and try it. And this is not the end of the world. There are some people making money. I know for a fact that they are. But they usually make use of some trading bots, and there's nothing wrong with some trading bots, but There are some of them, in my opinion, most of them are just straight up scams. They just want to drain your wallet, and they are very shady, if you get my meaning. So yeah, I don't recommend trading on Solana, even with trading bots. I mean, you do your own research and make your own decisions, but I personally don't want to trade on Solana, and I advise against, because you're going to lose money. I mean, every day on a good day, I barely lose money with Solana. I barely have bad days. I mean, I make a lot more money than I lose. But right now, it's very risky to do that. Right now, the good opportunities are very scarce, and the scams are everywhere. The rug pulls are everywhere, and the market is reflecting that. Most of the tokens are on the red. So take your precautions and do whatever you want, but this is very bad for Solana. And just before I end this video, I will be making some videos on base chain, on the base tokens. I will be expanding to that blockchain too, because it's the only other blockchain that's as big as Solana, and they're not having these problems right now, that all this congestion and unusable networks and all of this. So I will be making videos with base tokens, and I will be sharing them with you for the next video. And there are probably becoming more predictions. In my trading channel, I just made a prediction about what's it called, Nvidia and Microsoft, and they're both of these predictions are 100% correct as it stands today, right now. 100% accurate. So this is insane, and I'm probably going to make some predictions about some cryptocurrencies, probably Bitcoin, Ethereum. I will be deciding what currencies I will be covering. But yeah, guys, this is basically it. This is all for today. Like I said, this is my opinion, but be very careful if you're really going to trade on Solana. I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying. So anyways, just give a like, give some thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you guys.